Hi, in this video we'll cover something called similar resistance, and also we'll add another resistance. It's R5, it's different. So in this diagram, it's contained two groups of resistance. We have R1 equal 4, R2 equal 4, R3 equal 4, R4 equal 4, but I5 equal 3. So in this exam, we want to find, you see the slashes here in the red color. We want to find the R total 1, let's call it, for R1, R2, R3, R4. So R total in this case, R total 1 in this case will be R over N. So R is the value of the resistance, N is the number of the resistance. So we have R1 is 4, R5 is 4, R3 is 4, R4 is 4. So they have, because this law is we use it only for parallel, and they have a same resistors, same resistance. So R is 4, N is 4, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4 resistance. So it will be R1 equals something, R1 total equals something 4 over 4, which is 1 resistance. So if you see the dashes here, we can remove it and put, you see the other dashes in the red here. So it will be R total 1 equal to 1 ohm. And we can move all this resistance and make it 1 resistor here. So still, like, R4 is still here. Now we will apply another law for it, which is this one. So R total, which is R for this one and this one, will be equal to R total 1, which is, we find it here, which is 1, multiplied by R5. Then we will add R total 1, which is this one, added to this value. You can see it here. So we'll use this one down here. 1 multiplied by 3 will equal 3, and 1 plus 3 equal 4. So the total resistance, when you delete, if you see the blue dashes here, it will be moved, and we can put this one, because this is a calculation for that, and you can find it here. Why we need this one? Because in electrical engineering, we always try to make it small. You see the diagram here, we try to make small to look like something like this, to make it easier to solve. So if we don't have R5, what shall we do? We just use this law instead. So we will say R1 and R2, R3, R4 equal 4 resistance, or 4 ohm. And now we have only 4 without this one. So we use this law. So it will be 4 over 4 will be something like this one, but this one will change and make it 1 instead, because R5 is not in the calculation. Okay, let's assume he asked me about I1. How can I find I1? And it's the same for I2, I3, I4. So I1, because they have the same ohm number, resistance is the same. So we will say this resistance, it's parallel to the source, because it shares 2 points. And so the V for R1 equal 20. And from the law, ohm law, 20 divided by R, or E divided by R, it will equal I1. So 20 divided by 4 equal 5. So I will equal 5 ampere. And it's the same for R2, and it's the same for R3, and it's the same for R4. So 5, 5, 5, 5. But here in R5, the resistance is 3. So this resistance got 2 points shared with the source. So this is the first point shared here. This is the other point shared here. So 20 divided by 3 will show me how much I4 is. I5, sorry, is. So I5 would be something like 20 divided by 3 would be some number in ampere. And this is the video for today. Any question, you can put it in the comment, please. Thank you.